So I was editing some videos, and a bird from outside has come into my recording studio from I don't know where, and I can't get him. I can't see, it's too dark back there. Little buddy, if I can't reach you, I can't get you out of here. Oh man. Well, there's a bird back there that, just flew in here from out of nowhere. I'm going to try to get it so that I can let the poor little guy outside. But, my goodness. I have no idea how a bird got in here. I have no idea. Oh my goodness. Poor little birdie. Little birdie. I'm going to try to rescue you. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Because this is a tight space right here. And I've been trying to open the screen and I can't. It don't open. Little birdie. Oh my gosh. I hope it's not dying. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, little birdie. You don't know how bad I want to let you outside. But, oh, okay. Little buddy. Oh, little buddy, hang on. Little buddy, I gotta try to get you. Little buddy. Hang on, dude. I'm gonna try to catch you and let you outside, okay? Just hang on. Attempt one has failed. I seem to have lost little buddy. Little birdie. Oh my God. Are you back here? Yes, you are. Oh my gosh. How am I gonna get this birdie? Come on. Oh God. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to get you again. Okay. I got him. There you go, buddy. I got you, buddy. I'm gonna let you outside. Come on, let's go. Come on. We're gonna go outside. We're gonna be free. Here we go. Shh. It's alright. I got you. I'm gonna let you go outside. Shh. Okay. Here we go. There's a little birdie. Now you're outside. Go on. Oh. Where'd you gonna go? Come on, baby. Come on now. You alright? Gosh, I hope you didn't break a wing. Come on, baby. Come on. Go. You're outside now. You're free to go. Come on. Let's go, little birdie. Your heart's beating a mile a minute. Oh, the poor little babies. I know. Look at what Mommy's got. Little shit. What's that? Oh no, you can't come out. You can't actually see the thing. I know you would eat it. Yeah, see, little birdie? There's a birdie. Yes, the birdie's gonna fly away in a minute. Just as soon as he feels rested, he'll fly away. I know, you're so interested. You want to see this birdie so bad. Yes, wants to see the birdie so bad. Cute birdie's gonna fly away in a minute now. I know you is. Oh, I'm gonna make sure that you get nice and safe outside. How did you get in my house? I don't know how you got in my house. That's just a cute little fix. What's that? It's so bad. But you will hurt a birdie. Yes, you will hurt a birdie. As much as I want you to see it. I know you will hurt the birdie. We can't have that. Oh. Come on now. Come on, baby. I want to see you fly away. I want to see you fly away and be safe. Fly away, be safe. What are you? I've never seen your type of birdie before. I'm not quite exactly sure what you are. Okay, nice little focus. Hi, baby. This is a weird angle. It's kind of shaky. Sorry, baby. You sure is cute. Go fly away now. Go fly away. Come on now. You're outside. You're safe. Alright, guys. I'm going to attempt to put Birdie down. Maybe it'll fly away. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's go. You ready? I don't want to toss you up in the sky or nothing. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's fly away. Let's fly away. Come fly away. Come on. Come on. Oh, why are you just sitting there? Come on, buddy. Come on. Are you that tired? Oh. Stop. There we go. There we go. Gone. Booze! What happened? That was so exciting, wasn't it? What have we here? What is this little one doing? I think it's gathering up some grass and it's going to make a home out of my grill. I'm going to have baby chipmunks in my grill. You know, most people will be upset about that, but I'm pretty excited. There's going to be baby chipmunks in my grill. Somebody else has arrived to see what's up.